welcome to IIJ's virtual second edition powered by GIA, and we have one of the most progressive jewelers of our country, Mr. Anil Talwar from Talwar Sons Jewelers, Chandigarh. So welcome Anil ji to this broadcast. Thank you very much for your time. So पहला सवाल है अनिल जी कि ये सीजन कैसा चल रहा है? अभी हम दिसंबर के लास्ट दिन में हैं और अक्षय IIJ's पहला version was in October before Navratri. So how was your experience in IIJ's and how is the season going now?
Good morning, Samit bhai. It's always great to be here. Samit bhai, we've had, I think the entire industry has had some problems with Corona during the start of it. But I think things are getting better and better day by day. And as of now, at least North is nearly as normal as it should be. That scare is always there and would be there till the problem doesn't get solved. But as far as work is concerned, now if you see categorically, no weddings happened in India. From March, April, May, June, July, at the first 5, 6, 7 months, marriages did not happen. So marriages anyway have to happen, and most of them are happening indoors. And people are buying jewelry because there is no marriage which can happen without jewelry. You can never expect a bride to be sitting there without jewelry. So, and I think things are normal, or if you could really permit me to say, things are better than normal at this point of time.
So how was the IIJ's first edition for you, Anil?
The virtual thing, I think that is what the future is at this point of time. And we are really waiting for the next one to be there now. And Samit bhai, trust me, it is actually like being in IIJ's, nothing else. Or probably better than being in IIJ's. The product line, you see it completely. You're sitting here, and normally if you go to IIJ's, you could go there and you could carry 1, 2, 3 people from your office there into the buying department there. But here, the entire team is here. It's much easier to take decisions, and you see the product in the best possible way you can. And I am sure the Corona is going to get sorted out in 2, 3, 4 months, 5 months. And by 2021, the IIJ's again is going to be rocking. The actual IIJ is there. But this virtual thing is going to stay there all through. So one is so used to, earlier this was not there. Now, even if a manufacturer you're working with, they get to, okay, let me show you the stuff. That thing has already come into it, which was not there earlier. So people are getting into it. I think every one of us have made that place there where they can actually show the jewelry. Every jeweler in India is slowly and steadily giving way to the next coming in generation. And this coming in generation is more, IT savvy than the older people here. So we always had those questions, no, let's do it this way. But now I think ultimately the younger generation is taking over it. All the policy matters and everything. And this is going to stay there for life. Though IIJ's, the actual IIJ's would be there this year onwards. But otherwise, during the year purchase, now even people have got into it. Okay, show me the stocks before you parcel it. So that if there's any problem, anything, so virtual thing is actually catching up our industry in a big way. It should be frequently happening, very sure. Every day, I don't mind. But the two IIJs, they have to be there always.
Yes.
It's the bonding the retailers have with manufacturers, and those 3, 4, 5, 6 days of bonding there. Yes. That is how we bond so well together, all of us.
Yes.
And that has to stay, and I think always would be very, very strong. Other than that, you could do virtual thing every day. That is all right. There is one thing people have really, really realized, that spending a lot of money on the marriage function as such actually does not make that much of sense. On banqueting, on catering and all those expenses. A major part of that is coming into the jewelry now. And I am very sure this is going to be followed at a later stage when things are normal also. As far as the trend is concerned, I don't think there's any difference which has come in the 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 months. And now it depends what a category customer is a person looking at. There is one category which has really come up in the last 10, 15 years, which was not there earlier, is this middle service category. You have all of us have employees who are taking 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 80,000 salary. So they are also a major buyers in the industry in every product as such. So earlier we had this lower and the higher. Now we have that middle category also, which is very, very strong. And at this point of time, I would, request all my friends in this industry and everyone to get a little more organized. Let's be stock based, and let's tackle our businesses the way our forefathers used to tackle at one point of time. But
Great.
I'm very, very bullish for the future as such. That's what I think.
Thank you very much, Anilji. Thanks a lot. I'm sure your bullishness will rub off to the entire industry. Is watching this telecast. So we look forward to having you on the IIJS virtual platform, Anilji, from 8th to 12th of January. And all the best. Have a great start to the new year, to you, to your family, to your organization, and to the entire industry.
Thank you so much, Sanjay, for having me here.